Friends, good day. In this video, I want to share my opinion about where you should start learning how to trade options and how to become a successful trader. The first point, let's not confuse stock trading with gambling. In trading, the result depends on the skills and expertise of the participant. But in gambling, everything is decided by chance. I made some sort of a classification of what a successful trader should strive for. And a successful trader needs a good goal. The next point is the trader's skill level. Trading is a very broad field, and the trader should understand where his expertise lies. The third and final point is choosing the right place and time for trading. Let's start with the purpose of trading. It can be your own financial gain or professional growth. For example, to become an asset manager. What could be the means to achieve the goal? If it is speculation, it can be long-term, short-term, or ultra-short-term, like scalping. Speculation can turn a few $1,000s into hundreds of thousands of dollars after some time. It can be investments. This is when you understand some areas of the stock market and act according to your knowledge. You invest in stocks, a basket of bonds, and so on. The difference between speculation and investment is obvious. As an investor, you hold the asset essentially in your hands, and you know that the asset can rise or fall, bringing you profit or loss. Another, less popular means of trading is hedging. If you are a holder of a currency or cryptocurrency, you have a business that constantly generates cash flow, you are a crypto miner. You have a lot of options to maximize the returns from the currency you're gathering. Or maybe you use technical algorithmic trading, HFT, arbitrage, cross-market arbitrage, where you trade cryptocurrency on multiple exchanges with an entire team. This type of trading requires programmers, coders, powerful hardware, technical base, and so on. What I'm trying to say is that first, define the purpose of your trading and the type of trading you want to do. I started trading in 1999. Back then, options trading didn't even exist. Futures weren't too popular either. I had to trade stocks, which were illiquid. So there was not many assets, and there was not much information either. Now there's an overabundance of information. But it's hard to find information that's worth paying attention to. So now let's talk about trader expertise. Now access to exchanges, crypto exchanges, derivatives exchanges is open to everyone. The threshold of entry is very low and cheap. So there's very strong competition between traders. A long time ago, trading was done in the exchange pit, the closest level to the trading core. All brokers traded there. There was a board where all quotes were drawn, but because the connection was by telegraph, there were delays in quotes. But now all the data transmitted instantly. Because the competition is very high, a trader has to know what his competitive advantage is. It is like in any business. If you are selling auto oils, you have to ensure you have a competitive advantage by selling, let's say, auto oils of high quality. You have direct supplies from Japan or something like that. But when trading on the stock exchange, it is important not only to provide yourself with a competitive advantage, but also not to get caught in the bait of deception. Traders at the various exchanges are constantly shown some trading signals. Indicators, advertisements promising to train you to earn hundreds of thousands of % per day, and so on. There is a huge market structure which trades market expectations. But all these systems will not help to get a constant and long-term income. And subscribing to trading signals is nonsense that you don't need. In the end, you will only get disappointed and leave the market. To summarize, you must define your competitive advantage. You may be good at math, maybe you're good at analyzing charts, maybe you can program, then you can develop your own algorithm, which based on market signals acts independently, bringing you profit. Maybe you're an economist and can think strategically on the securities market. Maybe you are ready to gather your team and make money on arbitrage. maybe you know a lot about technical analysis and you have a lot of book knowledge. But remember that not all book knowledge works in real trading conditions. And the ones that works as a rule. It is unshakable and permanent. The next point is devoted to the choice of trading platform and trading time. Of course, it is very interesting to trade on the American exchange, Boston Stock Exchange, with options, futures, but there is a problem with accessibility. Residents of some countries have been denied access to these exchanges. Sometimes the entry threshold is very high, and at popular brokers, in order to trade futures, you need to have several $1,000s on your account. It is possible to trade at the Moscow exchange. There are enough brokers there, but it is impossible to trade options there. There is no liquidity in stock options. I believe that in this age of digital money, money connected with blockchain, it is no longer interesting and anti-productive to trade with paper. The full transition to digital money is happening right now. A new market is forming, which is interesting and, most importantly, accessible. There are a lot of participants in this market, and it is not easy to manipulate it as a regular large exchange. Now you need to understand how much time you are ready to devote to trading. The schedule should be comfortable and constant. You can't make Napoleonic plans to trade from morning till night, and you can't trade too little as well. Time is the most important asset in trading. You can trade an hour a day, 4 times 15 minutes a day, 2 times for half an hour a day, and so on. European, American, Asian markets are active at different times, so your time zone is important. You should have enough time for trading, studying new markets, and reading specialized literature. A trader accumulates experience and with age only becomes smarter, and his level of healthy skepticism grows. He can see and assess risks better. When choosing an exchange to trade, pay attention to trading hours. Breaks in trading are critical, especially for an options trader. Interruptions are always a problem. On the CME, if it's a weekend or a holiday, you won't be able to work out the price movement of oil and protect yourself from risk. Or at night, you have an open position and something happens at night, you can't do anything about it. And I also want to talk about Forex. Forex is not good for trading at all. There you do not trade with each other as on any normal exchange. You trade with a dealer, the Forex company itself. The company gives you a spread, and you trade with the dealer without the possibility to make transactions with other market participants. Of course, the dealer can impose his price terms on you, and they will not always be fair. Any Forex dealer is trading against you. I do not recommend it. Binary options. Prohibited. Don't use it, ever. Their options are overvalued. The series are short, and it's not a trade, it's a bet. The binary casino may let you win a couple of times to get you hooked, and then you'll just lose money. I made a whole video about binary options. Be sure to watch it. Now let's talk about training. I hope that after what I have said, you understand what you want from trading and with what you intend to accomplish with it. Now you understand where to start your training. For example, you want to learn options trading. For this, you need to learn technical analysis and chart analysis. If you plan to trade, for example, an asset related to oil or gold, you need to learn about this market, its pricing, its risks, its active players that affect it. You need to know what news will affect the price change and make a note of all these factors. First, you need to learn the basics, books, terminology. When you have chosen the trading platform you want, you need to study its documentation, trading rules, specifications, and so on. I advise you to watch training materials. For example, some videos. If you're interested in technical analysis, there are many books devoted to it. If you're interested in options trading, I recently made a series of 20 video lessons called Options Are Easy. The course is free, but I have a more in-depth course. And that's all I wanted to share on the topic of where to start training and how to become a successful trader. I hope this video will help you to take the first step. As always, ask questions in the comments. Suggest your own topics for future videos. If this video was useful to you, put a like and subscribe to the channel. I wish you good luck and successful options trading.